Okay, today we are gonna learn the deployment of web application using Nginx and SSH user setup. So in which we are gonna learn deployment of web application with Nginx, create a new user in Nginx, generate and use custom key SSH, and connect via SSH second. So without further delay, we will move to practicals on EC2 console. Basically, this is the AWS page. So select region, in which region you have to work, whatever region can be. Okay. After that, search here EC2 and open. This is EC2 console. Basically, we have to launch one instance so that we can deploy our web application on a server. Give a name. Give a- Choose the image, basically operating system on which we have you have to work. After that, there is no need to change anything here because we are just doing demo. So select key pair. Make sure this key is downloaded in your download section. So this is a crucial part in while launching instance for web applications. Basically, you have to allow this both port, allow SSH traffic and allow HTTP traffic, and you don't have to do anything further. So basically, launch your instance. Okay. So after launching an instance, go to mobile stream. This instance is launching. So status check is initializing until logged in mobile stream. So just open mobile stream and for there click on session SSH. So for remote host you have to paste the public IP of your instance. This is public IP. Paste here. Okay. Advanced SSH setting. Use private key. We have to select a key which we have generated. Okay. This is the key. Open. Click OK. Now paste username for Ubuntu. The username will be login name will be Ubuntu as a default. Okay, just clear. So first shift to super user. So that one let's quickly update. The update will install the basic packages on your machine. So if you don't want to do SSH, you can also uh, connect your instance from there here. So you will land up in Amazon CLI. Okay, this is updated. We'll clear it. Now what we have to do, we have to install a package uh, for web applications. So for web application, there is one package called HTTP or Apache. You will go with Apache or Nginx. So we will go with Nginx. So just install, apt install. So after installing, you have to check because Nginx is working or not. So just press system ctl status Nginx. So right here, the status is active and running. So you won't have to uh, run or restart, run a enable or start command. So your Nginx restart because it is already uh, active and running. So if it is not, so you have to press system ctl enable Nginx. Okay, it is enabled. So that you have to press start. Okay, it's a start. So basically, what we have to do, we have to deploy a website. So we have to find out our directory, home directory of Nginx. So the home directory of Nginx is cd slash var slash www slash html. So we are in home directory of Nginx. So here we have to make an index file. So we will choose the vim data, vim index dot. These names are very case sensitive, so use it carefully. So we will paste here our code which we have to deploy. So I have already made it one code from cursor, ready-made code. So just I will copy it and paste it in here. Okay, okay, I have pasted it. I simply press escape, shift, Z for saving. So we have saved our code in home directory of Nginx. Just press cd and restart your Nginx system ctl restart Nginx. So your service is restarted. Now copy public IP and check whether it is working or not. Yes. Paste here. Okay, so my code is working properly. So you can also host your temporary check your website here. And on next topic, we have to create user and connecting uh, using custom key. So just add user. So we will name it dev user. Okay. Just set a password. Okay. For seeing user is connected or not, created or not. Just so our user is created here. Dev user. The switch user to do. Make sure to give space. We are in dev user. home directory of dev user. So we have to generate a key. So we will use one command SSH keygen. Okay, name it. We will give dev user key. Don't do anything, just press enter, enter. Okay, your both key is created, your private key, dev user key, and your public key. So what you have to do? So you have to paste your private key, make a file in Notepad, basically, just cat dev user key, just copy line by line, word by word. Okay, don't copy extra spaces, just control C and open Notepad. Okay, paste here, key, save it, the name, dev user key dot pen. Make sure to add dot pen because it is a file type of private key. Okay, just save it. After saving, you have to make an environment to paste your public key. So basically, make a mkdir, make a directory called .ssh. Okay, directory is created. ls-a. So see, why I have added a hyphen A because it is a hidden directory, so we won't see why ls. If I press ls, we won't see any kind of .ssh file. So just open it, cd.ssh, make a file called uh, authorize. These are the very case sensitive things, the case sensitive, uh, case sensitive spelling. So make sure to type correct spelling. Okay. So basically, we are in .ssh. If you have any conversion, so here we are in home directory. Just go in SSH folder and make a file called authorize key. Search authorize keys. Okay. There's dot or enter. cp with dot slash dev user key dot pub. We have to copy public key in authorized key, and where we have to keys. We have copy and pasted in authorized keys. Now, okay. Now check your user is created or not. New SSH. Just paste your instance public IP. Next here, advanced SSH setting. Use private key. Use private key which we have created just now as a dev user.pen. Okay, login as. We have to log in as a dev user. Okay, we have logged as a dev user. So you can also work with it. You have created a user with a custom key. Now it is accessible to SSH. So thank you so much for watching this video. Today's session is till now. Okay. All done.